Copywriting is one of the most lucrative skills. You can make 10k per month from the comfort of your home just by writing some random words. It can make you a millionaire and you can make all your dream come true just by doing copywriting. Is it true? Haven't we all heard about this hype about copywriting? Specifically during the year 2024, we have seen a lot of creators such as Tyson Fordy, Ben Bedar, and a lot of creators emerging on social media, yapping and boasting and exaggerating about copywriting. But how true is that? Is it true that you can make 10k per month by writing copies and by becoming either an email copywriter or someone who creates landing page? In this video, I'm going to give you my personal review. I'm going to unwrap my entire experience doing copywriting for 9 months straight. Along the way, I'll also talk about the mistake I made and how long it took me to land my first client and to actually learn copywriting. So stay tuned because it's going to be really exciting. Hello, I am Shaheen and let's get right dive in. So, when it comes to copywriting, first thing that you need to consider is that it takes time to learn it. So back in 2024, there is a huge hype. Copywriting was gaining prominence across every social media platforms. And because I had just completed my graduation, so I thought, how about trying it out if it is really possible to make this huge amount of money, such a substantial amount of income. So I gave into those claims of copywriters, those huge YouTubers, and I started learning it. In the first 3 months, I dedicated all my time. You won't believe it, but I dedicate a huge amount of time just to learning copywriting because I became so committed to it. I became so convinced on this idea that copywriting can help me make a huge amount of money. It can lead me towards financial freedom and it can help me become a financially stable person. So in the first 3 months I dedicated all my time to learning it, and my learning process, my learning routine included reviewing others copy, reading copy, learning, reading books such as Take Their Money and all the books dedicated to copywriting. I would break down and analyze a whole sales page. I also joined communities from prominent YouTubers and copywriters. I made each and every effort possible that I could under the sun to learn copywriting. And here I'm sitting here in front of the camera. I can confidently say that I had mastered the skill. I had become proficient at copywriting, even though it took me a little longer than usually. um, even though I say that it took me 3 months, but if I accurately evaluate the time it took me to learn the copywriting, I'd say it took me around 4 months. So as soon as I became confident about my copywriting skills and I had improved it to a greater extent, I I decided that it is the time to landing a client and to outreaching. Now initially I had no idea as to how to do cold emailing and how to land a client or how to approach a client. So initially the step I was taking to landing a client and outreaching them were too vague and they were not so efficient. Therefore I realized that I need to watch a lot of videos on also on the method of effective outreaching. So again I had to waste a lot of my time just to find out what was the best method to land a client and to ultimately reach that level of making 10k a month. So I tried and explored multiple ways and methods of outreaching. I did bait and reach suggested by Tyson Fordy. I also integrated some of my personal ways. I also started to give a sample copy to potential clients so that they can convinced on the idea that I am a good copywriter. However, it didn't work. It took me 4 to 5 months to land my first client, But guess what? I couldn't land even a single client. Why? Maybe I was not efficient as I was supposed to be in my outreaching method and style. Or maybe it is because there is there is a huge hype that has been created around social media that you can make 10K a month, but in reality it's not as easy as it might seem. A lot of time I was ghosted, I was overlooked, I was ignored by influencer and by coaches and those business professionals who might potentially be my client. So I did outreaching for the longest period of time, but I could not land even a single client. They either ghosted me, they either didn't want to hire a copywriter, they either wanted to do it by themselves because they thought it is an easier skill and it can be done. And in some way, it made all sense. It made sense because why would someone want to spend 10K or a huge amount of money just hiring someone to write email for them, when in reality they can also do it themselves by just learning some effective ways to writing emails. Coming back to the topic, I dedicated 3 months to learning copywriting and overall 4 months to landing my first client, but ultimately I ended up failing. See, I don't want to demotivate you if you are learning copywriting, or I don't want to put you down or make you feel disheartened that copywriting doesn't work and it's fake and there is just a hype about it around social media and it does nothing. What I want to say is that you take a moment and think, can someone be willing to pay you thousands of dollars for writing a copy for them? Is it worth it for them, or it is undoubtedly worth it for you, but not it might not be for those who are business owners, who are coaches, and who sell courses and a lot of things. In reality it is not those In reality it is not you as a copywriter who can make 10K a month. In reality it is those YouTubers, those prominent social media influencers like Tyson 4D and Ben Bedar, who says that you can make 10K per month, but in reality it is them who are actually making 10K per month, not by copywriting, not by doing copywriting by themselves, but selling copywriting courses to you. Did you understand? They want you to believe, to give into this idea of copywriting can help you make 10K per month. It is them who is selling you this idea and who is trying and attempting their copywriting skills on you. You are being fooled and you are being scammed by those prominent and by those famous and very popular YouTubers. In reality, they are selling their courses to get you to buy them, spend your money. You might be a student or you might not be in a good condition, but just to fulfill your dream of making 10K per month, you might be borrowing money from someone, and they are fooling you by saying that you can make this substantial amount of money. I hope this might have cleared things up for you if you are considering to learn copywriting. Let me know your thoughts and opinion about this video, and if you like this video, make sure that you hit the subscribe button. We'll meet in the next video. Till then,